Okay, so you want to reset the service light on your Volkswagen Golf Mark 5. This model has the hour and minute button on the left and the reset trip button on the right. As you can see, when you turn the ignition on, it flashes up service now. So what you need to do, turn the ignition off, hold down the trip button, turn the ignition on, release the trip button and push the minute button. Then it's flashed back up to the menu. That should be it. Turn the ignition off just to check, turn back on again. Service light's reset. Thanks for watching.